what is your preference when it comes to marketing? Something like a gas station, a convenience store, liquor store, smoke shop, things of that nature.
I think all of your traditional online business for sale sites are really good for them. I mean, I would put those into BizBen, BizBuySell, BusinessBroker.net, businesses for sale, and you can get those sold pretty quickly that way.
How about direct marketing to directly to someone who might be interested, something like maybe someone that owns other ones. Do you think that is effective or no?
Yeah, I mean, I used, you can pull a list of gas station owners, you can pull lists of owners, liquor store owners, and go direct to them. Sure. So use an email campaign of some kind, or just send out letters to them, or pick up the phone and call them. But yeah, that's always, that can be effective. But I think
Perfect.
that in terms of you'll probably not have any shortage of leads coming off of the business for sale site though. So
Awesome. Thank you. I appreciate it.
sure. But I use um, strategic buyers for certain types of businesses. Like for example, we talked about an accounting practice, and usually you're going to sell that to another accountant or another accounting practice. So those oftentimes it is going to be good to pull a list of owners of other businesses, strategic buyers, and reach out to them. You do that with property management companies. I think I was selling a medical practice one time, and so I was reaching out to different, you know, doctors' offices, and but also to schools that had programs, medical programs, um, and continuing ed and all that. So you can be very strategic.